Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today in front of me, we have an early 70s, late 60s Panasonic Speedovision black and white tube TV. Now, I picked up this TV on eBay for like, I don't remember, like $104. Yeah. This TV is in mint condition. It's like the picture tube is still like brand new. If I turn down the brightness to 0 and the contrast to full, you'll still be able to see the picture. That's how good it is. It's like it's only got like a couple hours on this thing. But even that, this thing is super clean. Look at this. It's got the UL. It's all shiny still. I didn't even clean this. When I got this thing, I just turned it on. That's it. There's only a little bit of dust from sitting when I use it. But yeah, let's show off a little bit of previews of this thing. So, this thing's got a glare screen, I think that's what it is. That looks pretty cool. Got the knobs, buttons, contrast. Now, one of my favorite YouTubers, Shango066, he picked up one of these, and it was a green one. I think that one he has is older, but it's missing the knobs and stuff, and it looks like it's in worse condition. Pick this thing up. That's the only thing I hate about this glare screen, is that it's always falling off. That's probably why Shango's doesn't have one. Alright, I'll just look from the side. Here's what it looks like from the side. Nice slim TV. Here's what it looks like from the back. Now I put this on. I got this from that 1960s GE tube TV. I'm going to show you the controls on that. Yeah, look at this cool vent design though. Look at that. You can still even see how shiny it is on the inside. Hang on, adjust my light. Oh, it's all shiny in there. You can probably see the tubes if you look in there. We're going to be opening it up though, because for some reason the UHF recently quit working. Just controls. You got the power interlock. This light's screwing it up. Power interlock. Vertical height, vertical in, vertical hold, horizontal size. Now this is cool. I've never seen anything like this. Yeah, this thing is in such good shape. No cleaning required at all. This isn't yellowed at all. It's all white still. There's no rust, no corrosion. Cord is still, feels like it's brand new. The inside of it smells like it's new too. It smells like plastic and like a shipping box or something. But yeah, and the antenna, the only thing that bugs me about this TV is the antenna. I think a long time ago when it was being used, somebody bent it, as you can see. Now I might bend that back, but I don't know when, so I don't want to risk breaking it anymore. But yeah, let's hook this bad boy up and show you the working order of it. So, this TV might have cost a lot, but it's a very good TV and I like it a lot. What the heck? There's all this junk just hanging on. This is my workshop, by the way, if you didn't know. Alright, so this thing's plugged in. And it's a Speedovision, so they do that stupid thing where they keep the tubes warmed up. I don't know if we can see. Here, look down. Oh, yeah, see it in there? Yeah. You can just barely see it. Where's the there? Yeah, you see, there you go. This supposedly makes it for a faster start. Alright, let's flip it on. That's right, you gotta wait. This one takes surprisingly a stupidly long time for it to warm up. It's probably good now. we go. The only problem this TV has is the volume control, and the UHF doesn't work. Look, we'll switch it to U. Usually if you look at the screen and you screw around on the knob, you're able to see change in it. Absolutely nothing happens though. So this video, we're going to actually be doing a repair. We're going to try to figure out what's wrong with this thing. Look at that. Really slow shut off. Now ready? Instant on. Now, that's futuristic. Alrighty, well, let's get this thing open before it gets too hot in there. So, look at this thing. It's got one of these hooks on it. I might do an episode where I show off the workshop. Look at this. There's not a scratch on this thing. There's a few, I think, somewhere. Really nice. Now, getting this thing open is a pain. There's this screw, this screw, this screw, this screw. There's one up here, another one over there, and there's another one on the side. Way too many screws for this thing, but we're gonna get it open. This holds the board in. There's a serial number, but that's gone for some reason. But yep, let's get this thing open. This thing is pretty much new old stock. Look at these. Look at this thing. This thing is all shiny still. Board's all clean. Hey, let's show you back. So, here's the schematics. Now it says that the UHF tuner has a vacuum tube. But when I'm looking at this set, do you see a vacuum tube? I sure as heck don't. Either it's missing one or it was just never designed with one. Because, ow, I hit my head. Let's see what else we got. Look at how shiny this is. This thing is near mint condition. A little bit of dust on this thing from being used. It's got a solid state. Got the flyback. Yeah, that's the flyback. It's got a solid state. I always like to do this just to make sure everything's been discharged. I don't shock myself. Now I know I was looking at the one that Shenko 06 has, and this capacitor on his is a paper one, and this cage around this thing is like a weird half circle thing. Look at this though. This thing is basically new old stock. Completely clean. The only cleaning I did was I dusted off a little bit of a thin layer of dust that was on top of the tubes. Other than that, these are all original tubes too. See if I could find my brush. I would clean it. Well, I was cleaning another TV and I think it fell on the floor or something. Whatever. But yeah, look, here's the tuner. So I have here this electronic cleaner. I use this whenever I clean TVs. It's not conductive. It's not harmful. You spray it in, and it does its job. Look at this. Look at this. It's got three guns. Why does it have 3 guns? That puzzles me. Most black and white sets only have 2. This is 3. And it's crooked. Here's a little baby yoke. Really, really nice TV. Also, the volume is really weird and doesn't like to work a lot of the time. Let me take a look at the schematics. Oh, wait, no. Okay, I read it wrong. Okay, so the UHF tuner doesn't have the tube. The VHF tuner has a tube. Alright, let's see. So, I need to get a lead for this so I can power it up while it's unplugged. Alright, you know what? I'll get back to this. Because I struggled to get the interlock off. I don't want to damage the unit. I scratched it up a little bit down there. Probably decreased it like $100 in value. I just took this old piece of junk Zenith radio here I got from $1 at a tag sale, and I hooked it up. I couldn't get the cord off this thing, so it's like super glued on. I don't want to damage the cord. So we're just gonna pick the TV up, turn it a little bit, slide the radio out of the way. UHF tuner. Alright, she's active. Oh, nice. Big huge piece of stupid glass in my way. Like a flexible kind. Alright, let's see. We're on U. Do anything. Anything at all. No? We're just gonna spray a little bit of this crap. This stuff dries up. It doesn't even stain. Sure smells weird, but... Ugh. Oh, God. That got in my eyes. I don't even do anything. Absolutely nothing. What the heck is that? You hear that? I think it's just my spit being electrocuted. Oh, what the heck deals with that? What the hell is that sound? Okay. Let's try spraying the UHF tuner. Now getting in there is going to be hard. TV's working fine, it's fine. I've never heard that sound before. Man, don't say in the comments that it's from freaking can. how we're dealing with. Is this stuff flammable? Well, that's a nice warning. Breathing that crap in. I think I'll be fine. Come on. I'm gonna show you cleaning this. Get in there. Why are you bending? It's bending. I can't get the freaking nozzle in there because it keeps bending. Alright, hold on a minute. Like gloves or something. Hanging on those discharge. Look at that. Nothing's attached. Now I just try and yank it out. That's right, the board is. I don't want it to be arcing. It's not good. Plus, this is a brand new flyback transporter. I hear it making little tink sounds. Jeez, my fingers are wobbly. Nothing? Actually, I'll send it over here. It goes on the other side. What's over there? Ooh, it's hot. Let's just turn it on. Go! Oh, Christ. Oh my God. Did you just see that? Oh my God. That just lit on fire. That just freaking lit on fire. It was a blue electrical fire. Oh my God. That's just because I touched a capacitor and a resistor by accident. Jeez, I need to be more careful when filming. Alright, I connected the power back up. Okay, ready? Here to be my eyes. Oh my God, I am sick to my stomach. This TV cost me way too much. And also, I don't want to burn down the house. Where's that arcing now? Okay, well that got rid of the problem. The fire burnt up my spit. Well, you know what? I think it's been enough time working on this. So that's for the blooper reel. Well, I think it's been enough time working on this thing. I don't want to break it, because I'm a kind of a newbie, if you catch my drift. I want connections to touch. Ah. Don't you do it. Don't you make sounds again. I just dealt with a fire. Oh wait, no, let's disappear. There's a focusing resistor right here. Oh yeah, I didn't even point to it. Focusing resistor, the anode, flyback transformer. Hopefully I'm getting this stuff right. One thing I don't know is I don't understand how vacuum tubes work. I feel like this has been replaced. You see that blueness? That doesn't look like it's original. Could be that they got whoever owned this thing before me got this thing broken. Where'd this thing even come from? I got it like in Michigan or something. And I live nowhere near there. I'm not gonna tell you where, because why would I do that? Well, here's a look at my 1960s, 1970s Panasonic Speedovision. You know, the thing is with these TVs, if you look at them from like this, that's an attractive angle. That's what makes you want to buy it. So if people on eBay are watching this video, get it from an attractive angle. This might not be too attractive. Something like this might be better. Maybe not. Who knows? But also another thing for you people on eBay. If you power it up, what was I gonna say? Oh, I lost it. Whatever, guys. Thank you for watching my video. I'll see you next time when I get another TV. Peace out.